Okay, guys. So I think the live has started. Let me just wait for the confirmation, and yes, it has started. So guys, if you are wondering what we are going to do today, we are going to actually make my first program in the pandas library, along with some matplotlib functions will also be there. But yeah, that's what we are going to do today. We have our trusty VS Code, and we are going to create main.py. I practiced in IPNYB, that is Jupyter Notebook, before this. Oh, I forgot to switch the screen. Yeah, so VS Code, I have created main.py. I have practiced before in Jupyter Notebook. Let me show you how it works. 1.ip and yb. Oh, I don't think that's the character. I mean the IPYNV, sorry, it's not IPNYB, it's IPYNV. 1.IPYNV. Okay, so this is how it looks. Um, okay, it's loading. 1 second, guys. So you can add code here and run the code line by line. So it's pretty cool, right? But now we will actually make my first program that is in a actual Python file. So it will be really cool or very painful. We will see how it actually is, right? So let's first import pandas, obviously. That will be our main thing, right? Import pandas. Yeah. Now, before we can actually use pandas, we will have to create a data file with our trusty old Excel, right? So let me just first create save this Excel file, desktop, live, and data. So yeah, save. Let me again switch to this scene. Yeah, so now if we go to VS Code, you can see data.xlsx. So yeah, we can access the data now. So pandas dot read. 1 second. Why is it, why yeah, read underscore excel, and in as a argument we can give it data dot xlsx. Wait, is OBS okay? um don't think it's going too good, this live stream. I generally do it from my desktop, right? But today I'm doing it from my laptop, so yeah. um that's that. Whatever, now if we run this, there should not come any error, right? So we are going to test that once, um just to see if everything's working. Guys, wait for a bit. And okay. Okay, yeah, it compiled and ran successfully. Now we will actually have to create some data that will be obviously read by the thing. So let's create a simple mark registry, right? So student in bold. uh, oh acha, I understand. These all will all be centered, and these two will be bold. Yeah, and now in here it will be marks. So out of 10, let's take. So student A. No, actually, let's give them names, right? Ace maybe. Um, so and Ram, RAM. Then there also is, let's say, me. What else can we give? We at least need 8 names, right? So we will have to fill it till then. We can give a name like Michael. Um, 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, my phone was ringing for a minute. I forgot to mute it because I am parthiv after all. So let me write some other names, right? Let's say Ted, um, Leo, and Cristiano. Cristiano. Okay, so Cristiano was not that good in um, school, right? So let's give him 4 out of 10. Leo was Ronaldo is better than Messi, so he will get 3. Ted will get 5. Michael will get 7. I will get 6. Madam will get 9. Ace will get 3. Okay, now we have some data. Actually, should we create some more data? Yeah, why not? Let's create a one with 8 and one with 3. No, a 2. Yeah, that's good. So let's think of other 2 names. Why leave Neymar out of the party, right? And let's say another person. Who can I tell? Shodish maybe. Oh, I named it wrongly. Shodish. Yeah, that works. Now we will try to read the data here. This will be named df, and we will print df. It's running really slowly. I should have streamed from the desktop only. Let's see here. What's the output? Okay, not many frames are dropping, right? It could have been worse. Okay, so guys, this has come. And another thing, I don't really know how to do it otherwise, so I will just do it this way only. I will just cut this, paste it here. S number, that is serial number, right? And this will be bold. Now this will be 0, and let's autofill the rest. Now this will be 0 and 1, and let's autofill the rest of them. Yeah, by the way, if you wonder why did I start from 0, because it's an index after all, right? So now let's go to here and let's try to access some data, because why not, right? So df, right? Let's say s number, right? And um equals to, let's say, the first one. I want the first ones, marks maybe, because why not? The marks is written as marks. So marks dot value, not here, here, dot value. This will be printed. Now this can give an error, I am not really sure, but we can hope for the best, right? Let's run this. and it will take an hour again. So guys, till then, nobody is really watching this stream, but still, let me check. It's 10 minutes now. So okay, huh? What happened? S number. Okay, no one. They are saying that there is nothing called S number, but there clearly is. So what is wrong with them? What is wrong with them? Control C. Let's directly paste it, right? Oh, why did I open this? This one I want to open, and let's paste this. What? S number, right? I wrote that only, na. Why are you doing bekar things? What's wrong with this code? I can't really figure it out. Huh. So df, right? Inside df, serial number equals to 1 marks dot value. So what's wrong with this? Let's run it once more, because why not? Please don't give an error again. Please. Bro, what the hell? And the above exception was a direct cause of the following exception. Hmm. Acha. Okay. Okay, I think I am understanding, right? I think. Hmm. Okay. Guys, 1 second. I'm just going to check one thing in the live stream. Hmm. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Hmm. Okay, coming back to this. So for the somehow, right? Somehow, somehow we will just have to make these look like the titles, which they are not currently titles, right? But how do we do that? Df equals to Okay, now we did like that. So what will happen now? See here in the above, it's saying, where did it go? It said something like unnamed dot zero. So that's clearly the problem. Okay, I will just open my notebook, guys, 1 second, where I practiced it. Right, 1 second, and I will check it from there, because this is very, weird. I will just copy that here. Live paste. Okay. Acha. Okay. Does that's also data.xlsx, so it's confusing. So data 1, this will be control C, control V. paste. Okay, now let's come back here. Scene. Right, now if I go in VS Code and not this notebook, let's see this one. Right, see here it is starting from here. Right, this thing is starting from there. So let me see if I did anything different in the Excel file. That should, oh, this is a table, right? This is a whole table, but how do we get a table? Huh? Oh, format as a table, I guess like this. I'm really bad in Excel, I mean, what can I say? Format as table, this thing. Okay. Okay, now this should work, right? This should work. Right, now let's see. Let's go back there. Here, now if I go in main.py, now if I run it, now this should work. Let's see. Please, please, please. I really hope. Why is it saying unnamed 0? I did it, nah. Did I save the file? Yes, I did. Then what's his problem? Okay, but let me do one thing. Let me copy that here, right? And let me paste it here, right? What am I doing, man? Bro, why will I copy it? This is the right thing only, na? Then why the hell is it not working? The laptop is unlucky, guys, not me. Data.xlsx. So if I write just data1 and print df, will that work? This is how you what do you say? Trial and error. Let me see this, please. Okay, now it's saying, bro, what the hell? Here it's saying that, here it's coming good again. What's wrong with that file? Okay, now if I copy this whole thing into that, right, and just change the values, will that work? Let's say class, let's change this to SL number, right? Let's change this to let's change this to freaking name. Let's change this to sports, maths number, maths. Let's change this to science. Let's change this to maybe English. Now if this suddenly starts working, I don't know what the hell is wrong with this. Now this will be 0, this will be 1. I will autofill all of these. Let me give this names only, because I am too lazy to create new names. Oh no, those names are actually not gone. I can just find it from here. That's why I hate my life. Ram, let's just give some names. Ram, Michael, Ted, Parthiv, Shodesh, Cristiano, Leo, Neymar, What more? A, B, C. I am too tired, man. I am too tired. I don't get paid enough for this. Let's just enter random numbers 3, 7, 4. I am good in maths. 8. I'm good. I am very bad in English. Let me say you that. So 4. 4. I am also very good in science. So 7. Let me delete all these. Let me delete all these. By the way, these are my middle school data, as you can say. Um, Shodish is good in English. 8. Let's say 4. Let's say 6. Let's say Ronaldo's favorite subject is science. If you didn't know that, so let me give him 6 here, 4 here, 3 here, 5 here. Messi doesn't really speak English, so 2 here. Let me equal this here. Let me, bro, data. I am just creating some data, man. Neymar. What the hell am I doing with my life here? Random numbers and 4, 5. I have 56, 7, no, 3, 9, 6, 4, 8, 6, 8, 6, 4. Okay, so I have created some data here. Now let me run this, and for God's sake, please tell me the title counts as an actual title. Okay, thank God. Now finally I can start doing my stuff. Huh? Oh, I have to change it back now. Sorry. Let me see this again. Please. 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 Bro, why? Why? Okay, you know what? You know what I'm going to do? I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore. I will copy this, right? Oh, yeah, I will copy this. I will paste it there. If this doesn't work now also, I don't know what is the problem. Right. I don't even care. I don't even care. Now let's see. Now let's see how it works. How it does not work. Let's see. Let's run this. If this does not work, I will end the stream right now. Or maybe not. Let's see. What's wrong with that? What the hell is wrong with that? What is wrong with this file, man? What is wrong with that file? It works now. You know what? I don't even care. Now let's see if this works. Oh my god. Please just, huh? Oh, SL number. It's SL number. It's SL number, guys. That's my fault. Hmm. Marks. Oh yeah, that also I changed now. Bro, what's wrong with me? All this time it was my computer's fault. Now it's my fault. Okay, now this should be the output should be 7. Bro, what do you mean it has no values? Is it values? What the hell? Yes, it is value. Bro, I wanna kill myself. I wanna kill myself. I wanna jump out the window. I honestly. Bro. Now, just for God's sake, please. Thank you. Thank you. God, thank you. This was all I wanted. But now finally we can actually start coding, man. For Okay, now let me just code, because all this time I don't know what was happening, right? But yeah, for I in range, how many are there? 8, right? So 8, for I in range 8. Um, print. Actually, why did I delete that? 1 second. Range. Okay, okay, okay. I messed up here. Um, now let me copy this and then just do this, because I want this code too. So here I will just paste this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, I now it will tell me all the values, right? It will tell me all the values, right? And let me create some arrays, because I will wait. Import matplotlib, matplotlib, matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, right? So now let me create some arrays. Maths equals to this array, science, let's just do this. Science equals to this array, ing equals to this array. So we have created three empty arrays, and now we just need to append, right? Yeah, we need to append maths dot append, right? And now we just need to do the same for all the other things. This should be science, this should be ing, and now we will also have to change these here. This will be science, this will be ing, English. So now this should work, right? Print maths. I just wanna see if this works now. I will not need to print this now. Print sci, print English, yes. Now let's see. Oof, I went to full, non-stop mode. That is a lot of additions in a small time span. So let me see. Yeah, that works, that works, that works. Okay, but yeah, I know what to do now. Can I turn these to ints? Because I will need have to do that. Append int, append int, and do this. Okay, what happened? Yeah, int, do this, int, do this. Okay, now this is some code, right? Let me run this again. Now I should get some arrays, good arrays. Please don't show me error, please don't show me error, please don't. Yeah, thank God. I love you, I love you, I love you. Conversion of error. Yeah, I don't care about warnings. Whatever. So okay, plot dot plot, yeah, maths sci ing plot dot show. I don't know whether threes are allowed, three things are allowed, but we will find out, right? We will find out pretty soon. Now if this gives an error, I know what's the problem, but I don't know how to solve it. But if this shows me an if it opens a window, it's really good. Huh? Well, well, this is some data. This is definitely a data, right? This is not non-data stuff, Right, this is a very good data. Well, but why are there, well, you know, English. I don't get it. Why are there, well, two lines? Guys, whatever, it's dinner time for us now. Well, I don't really, I can't, okay, you know what, I know how to do this. How to understand the error. One, two, three, 2, 3, 4. Now if I autofill this, if I autofill this, if I autofill this, it's perfectly under this. Now I can actually see how the data is. Let's see how the data is, guys. Let's see. Okay, there should be a line in the middle, I'm pretty sure. Oh, do I understand this or do I not? One second, guys. Okay, so by the way, guys, that was my mom. She was calling me for dinner. I got 5 more minutes. Let's see what can I do. So as I was saying, hmm. So see now, if someone tells me to um find who got the max number, that will be really easy. But now, what will we actually have to do? What's our problem is that how do we plot it really good, right? Scale x, scale y data. I understand. But how do I just plot three different lines? Okay, guys, I will need to ask ChatGPT for this because see, it's not my fault. I'm still learning this matplotlib, right? So please forgive me. So I've opened ChatGPT here and let's see. I have three arrays. I want to plot them as three lines in matplotlib. Okay, that's what I want. That's what I want. Okay, I understand, guys. Are you understanding? We will have to create an array of just no, normal numbers. I understand. I understand. I understand this. Okay. Okay, I understand this. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Eh, don't worry. It's really easy to do this. I will just have to create an array. Not here. Here. Um, let's just call it ref because that's how I interpret this, and just for I in range 8, um ref dot append I. No, I think I plus 1 because it will start from 1, right? Huh? Or will it? You know what, I don't even care. Let's just take it the full marks, man. Okay, now I don't need to print this. I will just need to do those stuff, right? um so firstly I will take ref because that's what he took here. Yeah, ref maths line, right? Label and color. Okay, now I remember this. Label equals to maths, color equals to, what should I take color? Maths blue, I guess. Right, and now I will have to take even mode. I don't really want to label it, I will just show it, and I don't even need a grid, right? Yeah, so I will not need those. Psi, ing, ing, English, sorry, science here, English here, and let me change these. This can be green, right? Because why not? Green, and English can take red. Okay, now let's run this and hope for the best. Please, please God, please God. Of course, x and y must have same first dimension, but have shapes 10, 8. Okay, let's see what he's trying to say. X and y. Okay. Oh, they can't have the same thing, I guess. Wait. Okay. Hmm. Will I just give what he gave, because that seems to work here, right? It starts from what? 1. Oh, it starts from 0. Uh, okay, let me just give him the code and ask him the problem. What's the problem? Oh, I understand. Acha, I understand. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So where was I? It has 8 values, so we will have to take 8 values here. So 8 here, 8 here. Now another problem that he was telling, I don't know any other problem here. Oh, did I forgot to switch it? No, I'm here, right? Yeah. So chat GPT again and fix. Yeah, I don't need this. Now let's. I know what he's talking about there, but I don't need that 0 1. Let me try this. This should work. Please work. And let me eat. Please. Please. Okay. It works. Thank you guys. Now let me eat dinner. Thank you. Bye.